Academy District 20, Team 1. As we celebrate Staff Appreciation Week, I want to express my gratitude for your outstanding dedication to ensuring that every student experiences a quality education and feels valued and seen. Our people are the heart of our success in D20. Across our district and every school, department, and role, you make a difference. You teach, you lead, you listen, and you problem solve. You support and show up for students, families, and our community in ways that matter. Some of that work is easy to see, but much of it happens quietly in the small moments that shape a student's day, support a colleague through a challenge, or help a school community feel safe, connected, and cared for. That is what makes Academy District 20 special. Your work creates learning experiences that students remember long after they graduate. This week gives us a chance to celebrate you. But our gratitude is not limited to 1 week. Every day, your expertise and passion strengthen our schools and reflect the very best of Team 1. Thank you for your heart, your professionalism, your patience, and your commitment to our students, families, and community. Because of you, great happens here. Happy Staff Appreciation Week, Academy District 20.